Okay, this is my old Whirlpool dryer. I mean, it's old. It was bought brand new in 1982, and it's been used mostly by me the entire time. So this is 2018, so it's 36 years old. Yeah, 36 years old. So anyhow, it's been a good dryer. The most important thing you know about dryers, especially the old mechanical ones like this, is never turn the timer backwards. Now, I know they can turn backwards. You can push them back, but don't do it. Always go forward. Turn the timer the same way it counts down. And you can tell because it goes 60, 50, 40. That means it counts this way. So it's turning clockwise. So you go into your turn, set your time, press your start button. Off you go. Now, if you have to change that timer, don't just grab it and turn it. Open the door, shut the dryer off, turn it to where you want to, start it up again. That'll make that timer last a heck of a lot longer. Don't just grab it and turn it. So anyhow, always pull the door, turn it to where you want it, and never turn it really fast either. Just turn it nice, slow speed. Press start. Off you go. The other thing is I've never ever run it on anything but what's called gentle. Current press, it's really hot. It's not really necessary. Close the dryer just fine here. It'll just take a little longer. And you'll never have that super heat. You never have to worry about melting stuff or burning up your element. This is still the original element too. Original timer, original element. And it's 36 years old. Okay, well, that's it.